Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm with my Ferrari F12 and we're going to attempt, or I'm going to attempt, to replace the front suspension pipe. It's for the front lifter. The ferrules on the old ones are a bit corroded. You can see here, if you can see, it's corroded, and up the other end it's corroded. You can see that. The local dealer quoted about £600 for replacing both these hoses, so I'm going to do it myself. I actually got the hoses from a Ferrari dealer. It really wasn't that cheap. I think it was roughly £90 each, but I'm sure a flexible brake hose, I could have got it matched up anyway. I've got the genuine ones, so I think the hardest bit will be bleeding the system after I've replaced them, but we'll have a go. They very kindly, the local dealer very kindly printed me off a sheet to show me how to do it. But to bleed the system, you are supposed to plug in their special tool, and it does it through that. So I'm going to try and do it manually with the electric pump in the boot. So we'll see how we get on. I must apologise though for traffic noise. There's not a lot I can do about it. We are quite close to a reasonably busy road, and it does seem to echo a little bit in the garage. But anyway, so we'll see how we get on. Right, now both flexible hoses are fitted. That one there, nice and shiny. Same the other side. I have to be very careful that I didn't cross thread the bolt going into the shock absorber. This would have been very expensive, but all okay. Now I'm going to attempt to bleed the system. These are the old pipes that come off. You can see they're a little bit rusted. I mean, they wouldn't leak, but the local dealer did point it out to me. In the boot, is the electric pump for the system. I've got a little funnel in it, so I've just topped it. Running while you're doing it. That's the button to hold it. See, they're bleeding into that jar there. Let's check the fluid again. Bled the system. It did take a bit of doing, I've got to be honest, and it goes through very rapidly. You've got to keep filling it up constantly. We've made a bit of a mess because I didn't realise that jug had a crack in it. So there's a little bit of a mess over here which I've got to clear up, but it is working. It's showing a fault, as it says take it to the dealer, but hopefully I will be able to clear that with my diagnostic. If not, the dealers are very good. They said even if I couldn't bleed it, they would do it for me. But it seems to have worked, so hopefully that's saved me a little bit of money. Right, now we try it. Lower it. working perfectly, no warning lights on. I didn't even have to put the diagnostic on it in the end, it cleared itself. So